Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook page permanently on PC. So first, you have to log into your Facebook account and then tap your profile at the top right corner. Now you have to switch to your Facebook page right here. Tap on your Facebook page name. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to click Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings, wait for a couple of seconds, and then here under Settings and Privacy, you have to scroll down and you have to look for Page Details. Now here, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on Settings. Now under Settings, what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and you have to look for the section Your Information, and then here you have to tap on Access and Control. So you have to click Access and Control right here. And then under Access and Control, you should see these two options, Deactivate Page and Delete Page. So as you can see, Deactivate is just temporary. You have to tap on the second one, which is Delete Page, and then tap on Continue. Now, as you can see, permanently delete page, you have two options here if you want to download the information and transfer information. So before you delete, you should download your information here or at least transfer a copy of your information for future purposes. Once done, tap on Continue. And then here you have to enter your password again to confirm that you're the one who's taking any action. So once done, all you have to do here is tap on Continue. And then here you need to simply click on again delete page in order for you to confirm. Now you have 30 days to reactivate your account. Then after 30 days, if no action, then your page will be deleted permanently. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.